Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rogue Vet here. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. As y'all seen in my Instagram, if y'all haven't, I did get married and yay! But yeah, so I've been just kind of busy with, other stuff in life, and y'all already know about the car situation. I'm, trying to get a Z06 sometime next year, so obviously I've been saying in my videos that content will be slowed, but I'm still going to try to go out to shows when I can and, just do other things to just make content, pop out new things. So, but today is a cool day because we are going to basically review my buddy's car. And he just got a Z06. If y'all didn't remember before, he had the white Z51 that was for sale a couple videos back. Well, he sold it, been waiting, finally found a great deal, got one. So this is the video that we're going to be doing, is basically showcasing his car. So I'm going to get just a couple of, clips of just, walk around, drone shots, POV, all the goody stuff that y'all basically would see in mine, whenever I had my car. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. We are almost to 4,000 subscribers. I greatly appreciate it if y'all would subscribe, comment. I like to just, respond to all y'all's comments in the comments below the video. But don't forget my TikTok and Instagram as well. Do follow me on those. And like I said, guys, I appreciate everyone who's just kind of stuck around, even though, like I said, the content slowed. But, whenever I get the car, I'll definitely be making more stuff. But it's just something I like to do. I just love cars and I just like making content. And I just want to say, I bet some of y'all did actually think I got it, which, sad face, I wish. But I usually don't do clickbait, titles, just to get, a lot of attention, which, I don't know. Some people say you should just so you get more views, but I don't know. I'm just... we'll see. But yeah, I bet you some of y'all like that. Anyway, guys, enough with the rambling. I'll be seeing him in just a second. All right, guys. Well, look, there it is, as you can see, and it's all its beauty. It is a 2019 Z06 2LZ, and it looks beautiful. I mean, I'm just gonna get a quick walk around of the car. Looks absolutely stunning. You can see the shine. It is early here, so it's about 8:40 in the morning. Sun hasn't really shined, but as you can see, it's overcast, so looks really good even when the sunlight is not completely out. But there's a shot of the side. It's got your stock signature Z06 wheels. They look great. Red calipers. There's that Z06 supercharged badging. All right, so here is the inside, guys. Just gonna do a quick pan just so y'all can see. It's got the black leather interior. I'll get a quick wide shot inside. You can see that. Looks pretty clean. Pretty clean, as you can see. Very nice, very nice. All right, guys, here's the other side. Like I said, y'all probably already seen it before, but I'm just doing a showcasing here, so we're just gonna see the other side, the passenger. But looks pretty clean. We like it. All right, guys, so here's the trunk space. As you can see, pretty decent size. You can pretty much fit, a lot of groceries in here, baggage, stuff like that. So it's a pretty decent size, even if it's a vet. All right, guys, so here is the under hood. You can see the Z06 up there on the top. That's nice. And then here is the goods. Now his has the taller lid. As y'all know, the 17s and above have the taller lid, so he's got that. But it looks very nice, very clean, very immaculate. All right, guys, here's the other side. Like I said, I'm not going too in depth with this walk around. Most of y'all guys are already basically gonna know what it is, so I'm just gonna do a fun little video. But as you can see, there it is, LT4 supercharged Z06 engine bay.
Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hey, hold on.
chit chat. Can't do that, settle down, pipe down. On the kitchen floor in the church sauce, young Mike moonwalk. Always been a star in the sky, you did not get tuned out. I'm flashy, not ratchet, quick flippy, big mattress, don't ask me, we taxing, new address, can't move backwards. Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hold on, okay now, don't know, don't speak. Get down, whole click down, on God, on now with the business. Ain't no feelings, ain't no dreaming, loud when I whip it, I ain't turning down the speakers, no. Eyes bloodshot, I've been burning out the daylight too. I got responsibilities, so I can play with you. Let's get it, yeah, let's get it. I was down bad, no cap, no fitting, no kidding. Keep it OG, no rest, no gimme, alright. How the money come, all types, what you fall through, all night, alright. Let's get it. Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hold on, okay now, don't know, don't speak. Get down, whole click down, on God, on me. Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hold on. Whole life been right about right now. Whole lot chit chat, can't do that, settle down, pipe down. On the kitchen floor in the church sauce, young Mike moonwalk. Always been a star in the sky, you did not get tuned out. I'm flashy, not ratchet, quick flippy, big mattress, don't ask me, we taxing, new address, can't move backwards. Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hold on, okay now.
Alright guys, so we're in here. I'm gonna test this point of view POV in the Z06. Hopefully it works out. I haven't done it in a minute, so it may be a little shaky, but hopefully it stays. So we're just gonna do a quick little drive up the road and back. That's nice, smooth. And then when you get on it, then the monster's unleashed. Oh, the G-force? Like that. Heard the little whine. Oh, it's getting twisty. That was dope. That'll work.